Hey everybody, good day. It's Andrew here, Florence Flag. It is such a beautiful day that I thought I'd come outside and show you some of the inventory we have. Just never seems to end. Yes, we have loaders for them all. We have lots of attachments in stock. Backhoes, rotary mowers, rock buckets, pallet forks, grapples, snow blowers. We start at 22 horsepower and we go up to 140 in our product range. Looking for a good warranty, 2-year bumper to bumper with a 6-year powertrain, unlimited hours. When you get up into the 73 horsepower plus, it turns into 4 years instead of the 6 years. We keep the 115 horsepower in stock with a 10 horsepower boost on top of that. And we also keep the 140 horsepower in stock as well. We usually keep every size in stock. So no matter what horsepower you're looking for, we should have it here. And if we don't, it's pretty quick. Everything just comes out of Ontario. If you are interested in a quote or any of our pieces of machinery, stop by, give us a call, check our Facebook page, and yeah, come check us out, see how we can help you. Thanks.